In today's session, we are going to learn about sustainable development. Sustainable development, it is concerned with the welfare of not only present generation but also for the future generation. What are the welfare we want to do for our that means for our country? It should be not only for the present generation, it should be for the future generation also. For example, I may say about the when we are constructing the roads, when we are constructing the any buildings or dams or bridges like that, what we are doing, we are destroying all the agriculture land as well as the forest, isn't it? When we need the roads and dams for the infrastructure, man, that means to develop the infrastructure, what we should do, we should not use the agriculture land, we may use the unusable land. So many unusable lands are there, okay, like the type of the land we may utilize that. And when we are cutting one tree for building any dams or constructing the any houses, industries like that, what we should do, when we are cutting one tree, we should plant two trees. Then only we are saying that one is a sustainable development. It aims at not only satisfying the luxury wants of the upper class, but that means for the rich class, but also necessaries for the poor. Now, what are the necessities, the basic necessities they need, the poor people, that also it want to fulfill that then only we are saying that one is a sustainable development. Only to satisfy the luxurious goods of the upper class means it is not the sustainable development. We should take care of the poor people also, the basic needs of the poor people also. Okay, they given the definitions here. Okay, sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. That means without compromising the ability of future generation. That means what are the things we are utilizing today, we should keep in our mind about the future generation also need that type of the things. For example, I may say about the energy, that means electricity, what we are utilizing, water, what we are utilizing, soil, what we are utilizing, everything we need for the future generation too. Okay, here they given about the sustainable development goals. What are the sustainable development goals? Actually, first what they are thinking in that mind, they made 17 goals, First they kept in the mind like the economic growth, social inclusion should be there, and also the environmental protection also should be there when we are moving towards to develop our country. That only what they are saying, there should be the economic development but without damaging any environment. Okay, actually a set of 17 goals for the world's future, it made to achieve that before 2030 without damaging any environment. Okay, it was made by the United Nations, UNO, you know about the UNO. Okay, for not only only for the development of the country, for the universality, that means not only for only one country, what they are saying about for worldwide, it should be there, worldwide there should be the sustainable development only should be there to protect our earth. Okay, what are the goals are there, we will move there. First one, no poverty, there should not be any poverty there should be the end of poverty in all its forms everywhere, not only in our country, all over the world there should be the end of poverty. Next, zero hunger, no one should be in the hunger. Okay, that means everyone should get the food. End of hunger, achieve food security, and also we should improve the nutrition and promote the sustainable agriculture. That means nowadays we are utilizing the manures and fertilizers to get the more yields there, isn't it? We should avoid that type, and we should give the organic farming, we should provide the organic farming. Next, good health and well-being. Good health, everybody should be in the good health. Nowadays all over the world everybody not living in the good health, isn't it? Everybody they are attacked by the that means not everybody, I may say that most probably 70% of the people, they were attacked by the COVID-19. And other than that, whether they are living in the healthy manner, no. So many members, they are the diabetic patients are there, otherwise they may be having the blood pressure, like that, isn't it? Like that means only 10% of the people only living in all over the world in the healthy manner, we may say. But it should be avoided. That means everyone should be in the healthy. That only their first, their foremost goal is the sustainable development goal. That means United Nations organization, they decided about this one. And quality education. Quality education, you should be in each and everywhere worldwide. There should be the quality education. Just as it is, you are getting the degree means it is not the quality education. You should know about the thing what you are reading. You should improve your knowledge through your education. Without improving your knowledge through the education, if you are getting any degree, it is only the waste. Okay, that means whatever you are reading, it should be promote your promote and develop your knowledge. Next one they given, fifth one is the gender equality. There should be the gender equality and empower the women and girls. We are saying this one, but there is no gender equality. Actually, still now the women as well as the girls, they were misused by the men. And sixth one, clean water and sanitation. Ensure access to water and sanitation for all. Everyone should get the clean water. Next, affordable and clean energy. Ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. Everyone should achieve the energy. Okay, that means not as a food I am saying, here they are saying about the power supply. Everyone should get that one. Each and every new corner, they should get this power supply. Next, eighth one, decent work and economic growth. There should be the decent work for the economic growth. For example, how I am saying this one is the decent work, which is not the decent work. We may say that stealing, smuggling, by that also so many members, they are by getting the black money also, we may say that so many members, they are developing themselves in the economical level, but it is not the good. Okay, it is not good for, not only for him, it is not good for the nation as well as the worldwide. It is not good. It is not the good economic growth. There should be the decent work in the economic growth. Next, ninth one, industry, innovation and infrastructure. There should be build the so many industries, and innovation should be there in each and every product, and as well as the resilient infrastructure also should be there. Next, reduced inequalities. The inequality between the countries as well as the within the country also, there should reduce the inequality. That means the central government, they should treat all the states in the equal manner. Next, 11th one, sustainable cities and communities. Make cities inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. It should be sustainable. Okay, each and every city when we are making, it should be sustainable. Ensure sustainable. Next, 12th one is responsible consumption and production, isn't it? That means when we are utilizing anything, any product, when we are utilizing it, and when the people, they are giving any production, they should keep their mind that it should be in the sustainable pattern. It should be in the sustainable pattern. That means we should not harm the environment when we are utilizing one product, and when we are giving the production of any product, we should not damage the environment. That we should keep in our mind. Next, climate action. Climate action, already I told, due to the global warming, the climate, it has been changed all over the world. It should be definitely we should protect our climate. That means take the urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Life below water, we should protect our marine resources too. Life on land, sustainable, manage forest, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, halt biodiversity loss. This all comes under the life on land. Next, peace and justice, strong institutions. We should promote the justice. Each and everyone should get the justice there. Yeah, the justice should be in the equal manner. We should not that means we should not show any partiality to the in between the rich or poor, otherwise in between the religious, like that we should not show any partiality when we are giving the justice. The justice should be promoted there, as well as the peaceful and inclusive society. To get the peaceful and inclusive society, we need the proper justice there. Partnerships for the goals. To achieve all these goals, we need the partnership. Okay, that means revitalize the global partnership for the sustainable development. Thank you, kids.